In this era of followers, likes, shares, everything is verified by social proof. As I stated in my first video, I've been in the hair care industry for 25 years now. I've worked on film sets, television sets, theater productions. I've had celebrity clients, activists, social media influencers, musicians, entertainers, and the like. In those 25 years, I've developed mechanisms like the core fundamentals, teachings like the hair care power structure, products like the magic moisture, systems like hair care protocols. They have afforded me the ability to do great work on my clients and to teach others to achieve those same results at home. In this video, I'm going to share something slightly different from the previous videos. I want to give you a sneak peek into the behind the scenes. This is where I want you to meet some of my clients, what they're saying about me and my expertise. Here, take a listen.
My name is Sarah Gerberding. I'm a 19-year-old Central Michigan University, and today I just worked with the amazing Cornell, and wow, he is fabulous. He just has the eye for like beauty, and I can't even describe like everything he did with like the wigs and the hair pieces, just fabulous like art pieces on top of my head. So I'm very honored that I got the chance to work with him. He was fabulous.
Hi, my name is Deanna, and I've been a customer of Jermaine Cornell since December. I love it. He's terrific. The cuts, the color, the styling, magnificent. If you haven't tried them, I suggest you do, and soon.
Cornell Jermaine has been doing my hair. I absolutely love it. It's so nice and silky. He's grown it out naturally without a perm or chemicals, and I am a forever customer.
Cornell was my hairdresser today. He did an amazing job doing high fashion, and he also did my glamour look, which turned out absolutely gorgeous. He kept my extensions nice and smooth. They're not tangled or ratted, and I'm leaving now looking beautiful. Thank you so much, Cornell, for doing amazing.
Well, hello, everybody. Hello, I'm Lexi, and I have the best stylist in the world. His name is Cornell Jermaine. Do you see this? Huh? You see these layers? Huh? Do you see all this? You see the coloring? It's all him. He's a beast. This is a closed-in weave. I don't know if you knew that, but none of my hair is out. You know, I'm trying to get healthy. I work with the American Heart Association, so I do about 3 to 4 miles a day, 5 days a week. So my hair has to be all braided up. You feel me, ladies? You know what's up. So all my hair is completely braided up. This is a full weave. None of my hair is out. He does a wonderful job. I will go to nobody else but him. Huh? Love it.
My name is Cheryl Dewberry. I'm a client of Cornell Jermaine's. I'm really pleased here. He's been doing my hair since 2007. I first came to Cornell with a taper. My hair was really short like Anita Baker. And Cornell has grown my hair out since 2007 to now.
Testimonial. I love Cornell Jermaine. I've been going to him for well over 10 years, and we have transitioned into this new hairdo and my color. I had to come in and get lined up and fixed up because new endeavors is happening, but there's no better place for you to go for all of your hair needs. This is the place.
Hi everybody, my name is Geisha Stevens and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Faith Walk, and just getting my hair done. Even though I'm moving out of state, out of Michigan, nobody else in the world that I want to touch my hair other than my boy Cornell. I call him the hair guru because he can make anything happen. So make sure that you check him out.
It. I had prayed for quite a while for an anointed hairstylist, and I found that in Cornell. So if you're looking for somebody to take care of your hair and make you look good all at the same time, Cornell is your man. I'd see him if I were you.
Now that was pretty cool, right? Listen, don't go anywhere because there's more where that came from. Here are a few social posts from some of my clients. See what my clients are saying. This is from a mom who I did her daughter hair for her prom. She says, Cornell Talks Hair, getting her prom ready. Cornell Talks Hair, she's all done. Simply #beautiful. In the next photo, she says, my baby is fine, tailor-made just for me. Oh, how she makes me smile. Hair by Cornell Jermaine. This is just one of the posts. There's another post from another client today by Cornell Jermaine International. The next picture, she says, Nellie, Cornell Jermaine is on set tonight. promo photo shoot, hashtag voice of triumph, hashtag Stephanie J. Last picture, she says, the king of hashtag bounce back hair at Cornell Talks Hair, Cornell Jermaine. What frontal though? I guess, you know, that's when people say, what frontal though? This is where we did a frontal install and sew in the back. Here's another one of a client. She says, blessed to see another year, all the birthday love and for all this hair. She says, blessed to see another year, all the birthday love and for all this hair. New year, new look. New year, new look, styled by the best at Cornell Jermaine. The next photo, she says, a little color touch up for the sunny weather, courtesy of Cornell Jermaine. Hashtag color, hashtag curls, hashtag black girl magic, hashtag build on beauty. See what my clients are saying. Here's another one from gospel artist Tasha Page Lockhart. Thanks at Cornell Jermaine. I love my hashtag big hair don't care, hashtag McDonald's tour, hashtag 365 black gospel. The next picture, she says, thanks Cornell Jermaine. I love my hair, hashtag Cornell Jermaine, hashtag Detroit stylish, hashtag hair, hashtag short hair don't care. In the last photo, she says, sitting next to the one and only Cornell Jermaine. This guy can whip up some hair and then write you a banging song. LOL, love him. Here's another one from a happy client. She says in the first photo, I just chopped all my hair off. YOLO, LOL. That means you only live once. Laugh out loud. And yes, I'm completely serious. In the next photo, she says, it's my 2-year anniversary. 2 snaps and a hair flip. I'm happy with my hair growth, but my journey to waist length is far from over. In the last photo, she says, hashtag length check. Changes are more subtle, but definitely moving forward. Team Natural, hashtag journey to waist length, courtesy of at Cornell Jermaine. So, needless to say, I'm excited for all of my clients to see them happy and confident in their hair care journey, and knowing that I played a role brings me so much joy. This is the same joy and happiness I want you to experience. Hair care doesn't have to be complicated. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. I want to help make it easy for you by teaching you the core fundamentals. These are the tools and hair care strategy I use on everyday clients, just like the ones you've seen here. I would love to bring you in and personally service you, but professional demands and personal commitments limit me from being able to service everyone. But my new course, Know and Grow Your Hair, will teach you professional techniques and the trade secrets I've been using 25 years now to help clients like the ones that you've seen today. As you can imagine, hair care is a very personal and sometimes sensitive topic for women, especially when hair care problems arise. For that reason, I want to assist every one of my students personally, helping them implement strategies, whatever is needed to get their hair healthy and growing. And the only way I can do that is in a small group, intimate setting. So jump on board, join the waiting list now. Registration opens very, very soon. To those of you who are serious, you don't want to risk missing your chance to be a part of this great course. The Know and Grow Your Hair early bird wait list is available now. Put your name on it. Get on the list, get ready, let's go. In my next video, I'll give specific instructions for you to follow in order to become a part of the course, and I'll also answer some of the burning questions that have been arising from others like yourself. Until then, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.